Dongguan Lizhun Machinery Company Limited was established in 2003. After years of development and technology accumulation, the company applied for the registration of a Lizhun trademark in 2015, and it has absorbed a group of high-end technical talent in the industry. It is a company which is specializing in CNC machining center machines and the surrounding supporting tools such as OEM and ODM manufacturing field. The main products cover vertical, horizontal, drilling, double column high-speed cutting center machine, turning center, and other series CNC machining centers. Now the company's products and services have covered many industries, including mold industry, furniture industry, construction machinery industry, power equipment industry, aerospace industry, new energy industry, military engineering, 5G industry, etc. With the years of professional technology accumulation and innovation consciousness, adhering to the business philosophy of humanization, systemization, and flattening, the company has undergone a comprehensive upgrade. At the same time, the company has successfully won the trust of well-known brands in the 5G industry and make remarkable achievements. It has become the partner of many well-known brands at home and abroad.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.